car's making 800 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
That's 800 horsepower.
I'll ease it out of the hole.
I'm not wearing that thing on my head.
No, I'll wear it. That's kind of why I want to run one.
It was doing good till that second gear fucking got me.
Getting squirrely, yeah.
All right, what do you do when you?
All right, let me show you. What you're gonna do is all you're gonna do is hit reset, and you're gonna go this. You're just gonna go like that, and then you're gonna go back. And I don't know if I'm gonna get the tires hot or not, but
they're already hot.
When I tell you I'm ready, you're just gonna press that red button.
You going back down there?
I'll grab it and I'll reset it and get you set up. Now you got the double-edged sword of, now the tires are hot but the blower's hot.
Yeah, nighttime's the best time to do this. No, he'll be down there far enough by the time you get turned around. Just trying to put the tires in the dirt.
Yeah, we're trying not to do that.
I'd go ahead and do a burnout here.
Alright, let me see it. I'm just gonna go back. Look behind us. Is there anybody there?
No, hurry though.
There you go.
So, hit it now?
Yep.
130's way down. 6.33.
ITs are 140. Full tips at 182.
Dude. This car's making 800 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
That's 800 horsepower. Woo! 137. 137.98. That's one fucking 38. I'm gonna put the math.
Wait,
in.
what do you mean 130?
Like when we went to quarter mile, this car got up to 138 miles an hour.
Well, that's fast.
Yeah. Over there. Just, you know, turn it around. I know. When we have, when the engine's out, I'm gonna go ahead and fix all that shit.
What? This bad boy right here, worth its weight in gold.
Shit.
What? Oh man.
Sorry, I got super glue in there.
That's casualty of war right there. Well, it wasn't really a war. It was that was what do you call that? Is that practice, training. Anyways, thanks for watching. I know a lot of people have been asking for us to run it, and I felt like, oh, okay, I'll just put on the old GoPro so that way it's easy to record and, you know, go let it rip. I'm still surprised he let me run one, but yeah, trap speed was what, 138?
Yeah, 138.
130 miles an hour. That's at the quarter mile mark. That's fast. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, Q&A coming up soon. Drop any questions, and yeah, you guys take care.